When it comes to home improvement, the decision to install bay windows is often driven by aesthetics, with homeowners seeking to add charm and character to their homes. However, in a place like Ferndale, Michigan, where the weather can swing from freezing winters to humid summers, bay windows offer more than just visual appeal. They can significantly enhance your home's energy efficiency. Understanding the role of bay windows. Bay windows are three-dimensional structures that extend outward from a building's wall, typically featuring a central window with two smaller, angled windows on either side. This unique design allows for panoramic views, more natural light, and the illusion of a larger, more spacious room. But beyond their visual and aesthetic value, bay windows can play a key role in improving the overall energy efficiency of your home, especially when paired with modern energy-saving features. Ferndale's unique climate. A factor to consider. Ferndale's climate, cold winters and warm, humid summers, demands thoughtful consideration when selecting windows. In the winter, residents face temperatures that can dip well below freezing, requiring homes to retain heat efficiently. Conversely, the summer brings warmer days, with humidity often increasing the strain on air conditioning systems. The energy efficiency of windows plays a critical role in maintaining comfort year-round. Bay windows, when properly designed and installed, can help regulate the internal temperature of your home. Their larger surface area allows for better passive heating in the winter, while their design can help keep the house cooler in the summer. Let's explore how bay windows can be energy efficient in Ferndale's climate. Insulation and heat retention in winter. During Ferndale's harsh winters, maintaining warmth without overloading your heating system is essential. Bay windows, typically installed with multiple panes of glass, can act as an effective barrier against the cold. Modern bay windows come with energy-efficient glass options, including low-E coatings and gas-filled gaps, such as argon or krypton gas, which significantly reduce heat transfer. This means that the warmth from your heating system stays inside longer, reducing the need for constant temperature adjustments and improving overall comfort. In addition, the larger surface area of bay windows offers more space for insulation, which helps in keeping out drafts and cold air. When properly sealed, bay windows create an insulated pocket of air between the interior and exterior, improving your home's overall thermal performance. Reducing heat in the summer. While bay windows are excellent at retaining warmth in the winter, they can also be beneficial in the summer when installed with specific energy-efficient features. Ferndale's hot and humid summer days can drive up cooling costs, but strategically placed bay windows can reduce this burden. The key is to install energy-efficient windows with coatings that reflect heat, such as low-E glass. These coatings not only reduce the amount of ultraviolet (UV) light that enters your home but also help keep heat from the sun from penetrating your living space. This means your air conditioning system can work less to keep the house cool, and your home remains more comfortable during the warmer months. The shape and design of bay windows can also aid in natural ventilation. The angled side windows allow for better airflow, which helps promote cross-ventilation and can cool your home naturally when the temperatures rise. This means you can reduce reliance on air conditioning and lower your energy bills during those sweltering summer days. Long-term savings and sustainability. The energy efficiency benefits of bay windows extend beyond just the immediate comfort of your home. They can also save you money over time. By installing high-performance, energy-efficient bay windows, homeowners in Ferndale can see a reduction in both heating and cooling costs, making it an investment that pays off in the long term. In fact, homes with energy-efficient windows are known to have higher resale values, as prospective buyers are increasingly interested in homes that offer lower utility costs and greater sustainability. Moreover, energy-efficient bay windows contribute to reducing the carbon footprint of your home. By reducing the need for excessive heating and cooling, you help conserve energy and minimize the environmental impact of your home. This makes bay windows not just a stylish home upgrade, but a sustainable one too. Conclusion. When considering a home improvement project, bay windows are a smart choice for homeowners in Ferndale who want to boost both the aesthetic appeal and energy efficiency of their homes. In Ferndale's climate, with its distinct seasonal challenges, bay windows help regulate temperature, reduce heating and cooling costs, and promote a comfortable living environment year-round. By incorporating energy-efficient features like low-E glass and proper insulation, bay windows provide both immediate and long-term benefits, making them an investment worth considering for any Ferndale homeowner looking to improve their home's energy efficiency.